green light, so drivers step behind the lines. Playoff match 2 starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Starting it off on 316 was able to shoot a cone, but they missed it. 365 also shot the cone, and 8085 also shot the cone. And they all made it except for 316. 1403 was able to leave the community and started maybe a little bounce and engage on their charge station. They were! 14 also left the community zone with points. All teams are on. Around. 316 got a cone. 1403 was able to shoot 705 8.
They are dead.
316 bot is not responding. Hopefully they will fix that bug soon. 708 got a cone. 1403 got a cone. 365 got a cube. And 8085 is trying to get a cone. 708 is going to get a cone on the top node. They got it. 365 trying to get a cone. Cube on the top node. They got it as well. 8085. Who knows? They're going on the top and they dropped it. But it's not looking at well sensation. 365 trying to get a cone.
Yeah, no, they hold it.
85 1403 trying to get a cone as well. As you can tell, a lot of teams want to get these things. It's really impressive. Also, funny thing, that cone is still upside down. I don't know how. I'm surprised about it. 1403 got a cone. 365 got a huge.
Even though it looks like the RSL's off.
85 got a
which wasn't the
well. And 708, I think, is trying to get a huge lead. But they want to create another lane to go in the lowest node.
Yeah, that's
so,
all the
let's see. And we're in the final 30 seconds of the match. Let's see what teams are going to try to engage on their charge stations. Ooh, 85 is trying to create another lane, and they just missed it. So sexy. Hopefully we'll get on the charge station. And the red lines are down. Or is it about catching a triple balance? If the boys will follow suit in 3, 2, 1.